Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. We're going to be taking a look at 3 different kinds of fuses to see if they're still working. We've got our plug fuse here, we've got our midget fuse, and an automotive fuse. We're going to be using this tool called a digital multimeter, and I'm going to turn it on right here. So what we're expecting is this number 1, and as you can see I've got it on this 2000 ohms. 1 means currently no current going through. And you can see that my ends, these 2 prongs here, aren't touching. If I go ahead and touch them, I'm going to get a number very, very close to 0, or in our case, 009, which means that there is current currently going through. So first things first, let's go ahead and test out this plug fuse. So I'm going to take one end and put it on the top, and then one and on the side. And I'm hoping for that 009 number that I saw before. And yep, this fuse is working. We're going to do the same thing to the midget fuse here. I'm going to take one and put it on the top and one on the bottom and hope for that 009. And there we go. And last but not least, I'm going to take our automotive fuse. I'm going to take one and put it on a prong and one on the other prong and hope for that 009 number. In your case, maybe closer to 0. And there we go. All 3 fuses are working.